Vayatera Travelog, and today we have brought a new product. This is the new Vayatera Gauntlet full leather gloves. The reason I bought this full leather gloves is like there are ample of gloves available in the market, but again choosing one was one of the biggest decision. Now these are not the most value for money, you can say, but they are one of the best that I've found in the market. Now the reason why these are the best are one of the leather quality. Now this is a very good leather quality it has. Plus if you talk about the construction and the stiffness of the leather, so the leather is pretty abrasive. That is gonna give you good grip on the handlebar when you're riding. This is like around 1 to 1.2 to 1.5 mm abrasive and not lightweight, but again very durable. Apart from this, I'll talk about the knocks on this. The knocks is like one of the best things I found on this leather. They are around 2 mm thick. So basically what happens is when you have a fall, so you land up on your palm. Now this knocks is here to protect your palm from getting hurt actually. A lot of gloves I have seen, they don't provide this kind of level of protection, whereas if you see right now, this glove is very good in terms of fit and finish, plus this leather is little bit stretchable. Because of this, you can actually hold on to things very nicely. Like if I want to hold something but I can't, but in this gloves I can. Now if I again go from knocks, leather, what is the next thing? So you can see then there are perforations in this gloves. Okay, now these perforations actually allow the air intake to go into the gloves and provide the glove to be more breathable. Now what is breathable? Like these are not monsoon gloves, okay, come on, no leather gloves are monsoon gloves. These are everyday gloves. People have been wearing these gloves. I have been wearing gloves for everyday use as well as long rides. Now I couldn't do a lot of long rides, but I have done 1 or 2 on these. Then you see the knuckle protection over here is again a very hard fiber kind of material, a carbon fiber finish. Also there are perforations and ventilation made here. There is a different type of material, if you see, it has been used here, and this is some PU leather that actually offers a very good grip. Like this is a kind of sticky, so when you're on the handlebar, this will stick onto the handle and provide you more grip. Apart from this, these tips of the leather are made up of that touchscreen mobile quality. Like you can actually use it for touchscreen and GPS navigation, so you don't actually have to remove the gloves every now and then before you want to take a call or something like that. So this is one of the very good things that the Vayatera gloves are providing. There is a good amount of protection apart from your palm to, you may call, extended to your hands. So if you have a fall, so this fall, so basically this is again protected. Again, what I can tell you one more thing about is this pinky finger. Now this pinky finger is stitched with another finger next to it. The reason is when you have a fall, if you have a very bad fall, this finger tends to bend or break. Now in this scenario, Vayatera people have actually designed it so well that this will not end in breaking your finger in a very, bad accident as well. Now apart from everything that I've spoken to, 1 or 2 things which I would not brag about, but again the quality of the velcro is good. It is not that bad, as you can see. The fit and finish is wonderful. One more thing I noticed is like there is a kind of a clip over here. So this clip basically attaches both the gloves together, and probably what happens is usually we end up losing a 1 pair or 2 pair of gloves, but now you can see you can actually hook onto these gloves in your jeans or somewhere like that. So nothing to be bragging about it, but one of the features that I can say we have it over here. Now the main thing and the most important part of this is the price. Not the cheapest, I will say, but not so expensive as well. At around 5,000 odd amount, I feel these are one of the wonderful protection offering gloves in the market that you can buy. Now, I leave it to you guys. I found it to be one of the best ones. I hope you also try these gloves, and if you have any suggestions, any doubts, or any whatsoever opinion, please leave in the section below. So if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Also show your love by hitting the like button. Share with your rider buddies, with your friends, and stay safe. Always wear a helmet. Ciao. See ya. Take care.